Hello students, welcome back to my channel Words and Number. Today in this video we are going to solve an interesting algebra problem step by step. So let's get started. Let's look at the question. In this question we have three equations. So the first equation is a plus b is equal to 4. Second is b plus c is equal to 7. And the third equation is c plus a is equal to 9. So this is the first equation, this is the second, and this is the third equation. Now what we have to do, we need to find the value of a, b and c. A smart way to start is adding all the three equations together. So we will write here add equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. So our equation 1 is a plus b plus b plus c. Equation 2 is b plus c, and the equation 3 is c plus a is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 9. Now what we will do, we will open all the brackets. Now our equation will become a plus b plus c plus a is equal to 4 plus 7 plus 9. Now look student, here we have a two times. So the a appears twice, so it will become 2a. The b appears twice, so it will become, after adding them, it will become 2b. Similarly, c appears twice, so after adding them, it will become 2c. So it will become 2a plus 2b plus 2c is equal to, and when we add 4 plus 7 plus 9, it becomes 20. So students, since every term on the left hand side contains a factor of 2, so we will do, what we will do, we can take 2 as common. So the equation will become 2 bracket on a plus b plus c bracket close is equal to 20. Now divide both sides by 2. So now we will divide both sides by 2, and 2a plus b plus c divided by 2 is equal to 20 divided by 2. The 2 on the left hand side will cancel out, and 20 divided by 2 gives out 10. So now the equation simplifies to a plus b plus c is equal to 10. So mark this equation as equation 4. Now we know that sum of all three variables is equal to 10. Let's use this information to find each variable one by one. So now substitute just recall the equation 1. Here it is equation 1. It is a plus b is equal to 4. Now substitute the value of a plus b into the equation 4. So equation 4 will become, we will write here, substitute the value of equation 1 into equation 4. So in equation 1, the value of a plus b is equal to 4. So we substitute this value here. So the equation is a plus b plus c is equal to 10. So we will substitute here the value a plus b is equal to 4. 4 plus c is equal to 10. Now from here we will find the value of the variable c. So when we shift this positive 4 into the other side, its sign changes into a negative, and it will become c is equal to 10 minus 4. So we will get the value of c. When we minus 4 from 10, the answer will be 6. So we get the value of c is equal to 6. Since we have found the value of c, which is 6, now recall the equation 2. The equation 2 is b plus c is equal to 7. Now we will substitute this value in our equation 4, this one. So we will write here substitute the value of equation 2 into equation 4. So our equation 2 is b plus c is equal to 7. So our equation 4 is a plus b plus c is equal to 10. We will substitute the value of b plus c, which is equal to 7. So a plus 7 is equal to 10. Now from here we will find the value of a. A is equal to 10. We will bring this 7 to our right hand side, and whenever we just shift a variable or an integer to the other side, its sign changes. So it will become 10 minus 7. So we will get the value of a is equal to, when we minus 7 from 10, the answer will be 3. So we will get a is equal to 3. Now we already had found out the value of c and a. Now we will have to find the value of b. Now again recall our equation 3. The equation 3 is c plus a is equal to 9. We will substitute this value in our equation 4. So we will write down here, substitute the value of equation 3 into equation 4. So our equation 3 is c plus a is equal to 9. So we will substitute the value of c plus a is equal to 9 in equation 4. So our equation 4 is a plus b plus c is equal to 10, and the value of a plus c is 9. So we will write here b plus 9 is equal to 10, because a plus c is equal to 9. So we will find out the value of b from here. So we will shift 9 to the right hand side, and it becomes 10 minus 9. We will get the value of b. So b is equal to, when we subtract 9 from the 10, the answer will be 1. So b is equal to 1. So we have successfully found the values of all the three variables. The value of a is 3, b is 1, and c is 6. And that's our final answer. I hope you found this method easy to understand. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.